Hello guys, so I came to try to help some of my workshop students, and I figure out many people do not have an instrument, and it's kind of expensive here in US to buy one pandeiro. And so this is my pandeiro I use every presentation and class, and I find these tambourines like they use here in US to play other rhythms, and I figure out I want to buy one and check if I can like make sound closer to the Brazilian tambourine, the pandeiro. And I did some tests and I'll show you what I did. I'll play a little bit and you can hear how it sounds without any modification, and then we will see after the modification. So I'll do very quick modifications here, and to take a little bit out some of the sounds of the skin. For me sound very loud and a lot of extra sounds that I don't want. And also this metal part, it's very loud because it's the way they need here to play. If you see here, it's a lot of less, and here you see it's a lot of less. So let's do this. What I did is I cut some small squares from one cardboard, and I go in the middle halfway just to have a room to put here in the nail that holds this metal part. And you can put this in at least in the bottom of all of this metal parts. I have many here I cut. I already put, I take out just to show you. And I put some of the top parts as well. I don't want to stop all of them. I leave like 1, 2, 3 without in the top part, but I'll put in the other ones because I really want to stop a lot of this sound. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3 only in the bottom, and the rest of them are in the bottom and the top. For me it's a little bit, still have a lot of sound. I will stop more, like I'll put one more in the bottom and 3 of these ones. I keep picking this, that is not cut, because I wanna, this one I don't wanna hear at all. And let's see how it will be. Way better. And I'll put also in one of this. No, I'll put in this one because I want this one more much better. Okay, and now we use like this tape. They use like, this is a paper tape. I don't know the name here, how you call this, but we'll put one here between these two, one between in the middle, one between these two. I'm doing here very quick because of the video do not be so long, and one more here in the ends, and then I'll put one here between this and this. So what I was telling you, I am doing here very quick because of the video, but you can cut and make better. You can put color and put wherever you want. And I'll put one, but I will leave a room here because when you play, I will explain in the future. In the workshops, we use this finger to stop the sound a little bit of the skin, and I'll leave the room for without tape. And this I'll put through here. So I think all of you can see here how it looks. It's not so perfect, but let's see how it sounds. Much better. It's closer. Yes. I did with this other tambourine. I'll put the link for you. You can buy it's like $13 and $23, and one tambourine like professional is 100, 120, 200. I will also put because it will you can use so much more time. You can use for shows and presentations. But if you are on a budget, you cannot buy now. For study, I think with one of these tambourines you have for 6 months, 1 year without damage if you study very hard. And this one you have forever because it's Hemo, it's a good brand and looks like very good quality instrument, but the sound is good. But so in the future maybe you wanna one like the Brazilian style, not with so many things to stop the sound. And so I hope you like the video and see you in the workshops. Okay, keep the eye on my page, on EducArte page, and see you.